chart. Okay guys, this is the XRP to gold ratio on the weekly time frame. So this is not against the US dollar, but this is XRP basically priced in gold. Now, why is this chart super important and maybe even the most important chart to look at right now? Well, that's because whenever XRP bottoms versus gold, it usually also bottoms versus the US dollar. So by looking at XRP priced in gold, we can basically get a very big clue into what is about to happen for XRP versus the US dollar. Now, down below we have the RSI indicator on the weekly time frame, and you can see that whenever this RSI hits oversold, so I would say below 32 or so at this horizontal green area, that usually coincides with the market bottom, not just against gold, but also, as I said, against the US dollar. Now, if you look at the left hand side of the chart, that actually happened in 2020. So once again, the RSI hit oversold here on the weekly, and that was the exact low for XRP versus gold and also versus the US dollar. And XRP basically outperformed gold in that specific bull run by 800%, and it outperformed the dollar even more. Now, fast forward also here in 2022 around June, XRP bottomed here against gold, so we went deeply into oversold on the RSI. And we also bottomed priced in gold and also priced in the US dollar. Also in 2024, as you can see, we also hit oversold. So XRP outperformed gold by 520%, and it outperformed the dollar even more. Now, what is important right now, guys, is that XRP once again here versus gold hit oversold on the weekly time frame on the RSI. So the big question right now is this the bottom against gold, and is this the bottom against the US dollar? Well, I can tell you for certain that it is. Now, historically and also in terms of a risk-reward ratio, we could be at or very close to the market bottom against gold and against the US dollar. So this is definitely one of the most, if not the most important chart to look at right now, if you want to get a clue into what's coming next for XRP and possible for other cryptocurrencies as well. If you are looking for a trusted and reliable trading brokerage, I will highly recommend Capital Sure Trade, which have made trading very easy and much profitable. My links are down below. You can proceed to registering your trading account and earn as an advanced trader, as the trade are being carried out automatically by the trading bots, which makes profits guaranteed, ensuring over 10 to 20% profit daily, depending on your investment portfolio. This trading system saves traders from the risk of being liquidated while trading, because the trading risk is being handled by the risk management team. So that was a quick update. Back to the video. Now, the last chart that I want to show you here is XRP on the weekly time frame against the dollar. And as I notified you in yesterday's video, XRP unfortunately broke below the EMA ribbons on the weekly time frame, which is of course a strong sign of bearish momentum. So in order for me to confirm that the short-term trend has flipped back bullish, back to the upside, XRP would need to break $2.26, because that is actually the upper line here of the EMA ribbon. So if we break $2.26, which is still a little bit far away from the current price, but if we do that, then that could be strong confirmation that the trend has shifted from bearish into bullish here in the immediate short term. So that is the current level.